Hey, what are you thinking?
I want to be fluent in Hindi. Where to go?
Nowhere, my dear. Now you can learn Hindi on YouTube channel named as Learn Hindi with Reenu. She is a professional tutor.
Oh, really? Thank you very much.
So, if you want to be fluent in Hindi speaking, just subscribe my channel. Namaste, I am Reenu. Welcome to the next lesson of 10 minutes conversational Hindi through English. Today we will learn how to introduce ourselves in Hindi. So let's begin. So here we will learn how to introduce ourselves using two words only. So we will see the structure I am. I am. In Hindi we say मैं हूँ. मैं हूँ. Earlier I told you the syntax of Hindi sentences, that is SOV. Subject, object, verb. Means first you will take subject and at the end we will take verb. Here who is a to be verb. Here who is a to be verb. So subject is I and am is a to be verb. I am together means मैं हूँ. So we will see the examples how we can introduce ourselves. Like if I say I am Radha. If someone is asking who are you, you will say I am Radha. I told you I am together means मैं हूँ. And structure is subject, object and verb. So the verb whom will go at the end and मैं at the first as a subject, and in between you will put your name. Your name might be Radha, your name might be Reenu, any name. So I am Radha, मैं Radha हूँ. In whom we have a little bit nasal sound. Here H-O-O-N. You can see N. This N has a nasal sound only, not complete sound. Nasal sound. Just speak with me. I am a girl. I am a girl. मैं लड़की हूँ. Or you can say मैं एक लड़की हूँ. In Hindi, we do not have any meaning for the a and the. These are not included in Hindi, but for the sake of understanding, we can have the meaning as ek. Ek. So it is optional to use ek. You can say or you can ignore it. I am a girl. In Hindi, we can say मैं लड़की हूँ. Girl means लड़की. लड़की हूँ. मैं लड़की हूँ और मैं एक लड़की हूँ. Mostly in conversational way, we used to say मैं लड़की हूँ. I am a boy. I am a boy. मैं लड़का हूँ. लड़की girl, boy लड़का. मैं लड़का हूँ. So you can tell your name using this I am structure. You can tell your gender. You are a girl. I'm a girl. I'm a boy. Like that. Next, you can tell about your nationality. Like I am an Indian. मैं भारतीय हूँ. और मैं हिंदुस्तानी हूँ. You can be from other country. You can say मैं अमेरिकन हूँ. I am a teacher. Here you can tell about your profession. मैं शिक्षक हूँ. मैं शिक्षक हूँ. If I am a boy, I am a masculine, then I will say मैं शिक्षक हूँ. If I am a girl, a women teacher, I will say मैं शिक्षिका हूँ. And if you are a like doctor, you can say मैं डॉक्टर हूँ. If you are a nurse, you will say मैं nurse हूँ. If you are a businessman, you will say मैं businessman हूँ. The next example is I am a student. You can tell about I am a student. मैं छात्र हूँ. Student means छात्र. मैं छात्र हूँ. I am happy. You can tell about your mood. I am happy. Happy means खुश. खुश. मैं खुश हूँ. I am sad. मैं दुखी हूँ. Or you can say मैं उदास हूँ. मैं उदास हूँ. I am angry. I am angry. मैं गुस्सा हूँ. Angry means गुस्सा. Angry means गुस्सा. मैं गुस्सा हूँ. I am crazy. मैं crazy हूँ. You can say मैं पागल हूँ. You can say I am tired. Tired means थका और थकी. You can use थका और थकी. थकी for feminine gender and थका for masculine gender. मैं थका हूँ और मैं थकी हूँ. I am busy. Usually we say I am busy. So we can say मैं व्यस्त हूँ. मैं व्यस्त हूँ. I am beautiful. I am beautiful. Beautiful means सुंदर. मैं सुंदर हूँ. Or you can say I am smart. That also means मैं सुंदर हूँ. I am hungry. So there are two ways to say I am hungry in Hindi. मैं भूखी हूँ. If I am feminine, I will say मैं भूखी हूँ. If I am masculine, I'll say मैं भूखा हूँ. So mostly you will see a sound ending with a sound. That word is mostly or generally you can say related to masculine gender, and if the word is ending with e sound, that is mostly about feminine gender. In the gender chapter we will look upon it. मैं भूखी हूँ for feminine. मैं भूखा हूँ for masculine. And usually how we say here मुझे भूख लगी है for either masculine or feminine. मुझे भूख लगी है. So this is most common actually. So I advise to you speak this one. मुझे भूख लगी है. Either masculine or feminine. So this was about the structure I am. With the structure I am, you can introduce yourself. You can tell your name, your profession. You can tell your nationality. You can tell about your religion. I am Hindu, I am Muslim, like that. You can tell about your profession. So a lot of things you can do with I am structure. So today just try to make at least 5 to 10 sentences related to this I am structure. And if you have any question, you can just give me a comment. I will reply. And you can follow me on Instagram and Facebook. If you want any 101 lesson, you can directly mail me or you can chat on Skype. So see you again. फिर मिलेंगे. बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद. Thank you very much.